In problem 3, we have two companies. It says the equation y equals 123x describes the number of toys produced at Toys Plus in X minutes. So this one has this equation. And then it says that number 1 toys has the rate that's described from the table. So it gives us this table with values such as 5 and 600, 11 and 1,320. And our job is to determine who produces toys at a slower rate. So we want a smaller number. This difference in the outputs here is 720, and the difference in the inputs is 6. So to find the rate for number 1 toys, we're going to do 720 divided by 6, which comes out to 120, which means that if we were to write an equation for this, it would be y equals 120x. And it asked us which one produced at a slower rate. Number 1 toys produces 120 toys per minute, and Toys Plus produces 123 toys per minute. So number 1 toys is the company that produces slower. Produces at a slower